What's up folks, my name is Felix. Welcome back to another video on my BNB miner journey. Just a few days ago I had my 18 months anniversary in this project. And as you can already see, it is now running for 957 days, has paid out daily, sometimes up to 3%, sometimes way less because the contract balance was going down. But it's still here, it's still printing, and it's looking better than ever because we basically had a double bottom over the last few months. We were two times at those 490 BNB levels. First time it was at around 480, and we managed to bounce back from these levels two times in a row in a bear market. So what do you think will happen with this project if we get into another bull cycle when market sentiment really turns around? And I think sky is the limit. We saw it one time going up to over 7,000 BNB in the contract balance. And the second time this happened, it went almost to 12k BNB here in the smart contract. And as I said in almost all my previous videos about the BNB miner, I think this was not the peak. We will have a third run, a third cycle where we reach at least those 12k BNB and maybe even more. As always, we want to start this video with some statistics compared to my last video, which I think uploaded around 8 days ago, as you can see here on the 27th of October. At this time, contract balance was sitting at 602 BNB. Currently, we are up almost 40 or more than 40 BNB and are sitting at 643 BNB. And what we can currently observe here in this project is a slow and steady growth, a pattern which happened in the past already two times, those two times before we saw an explosion here in this contract balance. I of course don't know if this will happen now as well, but there will be another catalyst because the past doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes in a way. And we just need one single thing, as we know from all these other projects, that makes people aware of it, want them to jump in and take advantage of the opportunity we have here with this fully decentralized project paying up 3% daily. To compare the other statistics here as well, you can see I'm currently sitting at 130 quadrillion miners. Last time I was sitting close to 100 quadrillion miners because I compound a lot and the growth of the contract balance helped me with that. Last thing I wanted to show you, the current investor number is sitting at 27k and 703. Last time we were sitting at 27k and 657. So almost 50 new people who joined in the last 8 days, which is more than 5 people per day, which are currently joining the BNB miner, getting their BNB to work and earning those juicy rewards. My personal TBL is currently sitting at 13.34, and my goal here is to reach at least 20 to 25 BNB, which will then not only print 0.4 BNB daily. If I get to 30 BNB here in my total value lock, this should be around 1 BNB daily. And with the current market situation, we see green numbers all over here. For example, BNB price jumped to currently almost 240 US dollars. These are levels which we saw last time in August or June in summer. As we can see here on the chart, we were at this range for quite some time from the beginning of June until the mid of August. Then we dumped to those 200 levels and now we are back up here. And imagine what I will get if BNB price comes back to those 300, 400 levels. If we calculate this very quick, so I'm getting 0.4 BNB daily, and at those current prices, which are 239 times 0.04, this should be roughly 100 US dollars, 95 US dollars. And now if we imagine a BNB price of 400, which is in my opinion still a conservative price target. So if we calculate it with 400 times those 0.4 BNB, those are 160 US dollars, which I could withdraw on a daily basis here. And if we expect that BNB goes back up to its all-time high, which was at 660, you can also imagine what this would mean. And the cool thing is, I'm already invested in this project. I don't have to worry about BNB prices or what's going on there, because I will earn regardless of what's happening with the BNB price. And that's why I think currently are very good dollar cost average prices with the development we saw over the last few weeks and last few months, especially after we saw the double bottom, which I mentioned already in the beginning at those 490, 480 BNB levels. So we were there now 2 times. We got a good recovery here. First time we jumped to over 1000 BNB. This time let's see where the journey goes, because most of the people are currently taking advantage of the daily contest in the Telegram group. So I filtered here for all the buy X transactions here in the last 24 hours, and you can see all those people are depositing 0.1 BNB to qualify to win daily BNB amounts, which you can see here. So you just have to hire a minimum of 0.1 BNB, post your transaction hash in the chat and include the hashtag bnbminer, and on the next day they will post the winner and send the BNB over. For example, if there are 75 entries, there will be one BNB winner. If there are more entries, there will be more than one BNB winner. And if there are less than 75 entries, you will still get 0.5 BNB, which is still 5 times the amount you put initially in, and those BNB will be sent directly to your wallet. So to summarize the current state here in the end, numbers speak louder than words. So just take a look what's happening. Is the contract growing? And if you feel confident putting in small amounts, you maybe wanted to start with 0.1 BNB, join the daily contest, and you will qualify every single time to win those at least 0.5 BNB daily. And if you're already invested, you might want to grow your bag, compound several times a day, taking profits along the way, and then we will see where we can get with this project again, because this is one of the longest lasting in the space, completely immutable smart contract. No rug pull, nothing will happen. It's completely community driven, and that's why I'm so excited to see what will happen in the future, especially when we get into another bull cycle and new people are joining that space and get aware of the BNB miner. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below this video. If you don't want to miss future content on the BNB miner or other potentially promising DeFi projects, this is the right channel because I release almost daily videos. Thanks for watching today and see you in the next one.